Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown, book 3. Now open your countdown. Students, as we are doing exercise of chapter number 2, number operations, and today we are going to solve the questions on page number 95. So students, open page number 95. Here on the top of the page there is question number 9. Work these out. So students, these are all the division questions, simple division questions. Firstly, you will take the first digit and then multiply, and then you will multiply our divisor or read the count of our divisor to find this number or the number that is lesser from this. Next you will do the subtraction and again the division. Okay students, all of these questions will solve just like the question number 6 as we have done earlier. So students, you are going to solve all of these questions on your neat notebooks. Okay, now let's come toward the next question, that is question number 10. Solve and write the remainder and quotient. We are going to solve it first, that are all the division questions. Firstly, we are going to solve it, the division process, and then we will write the remainder and the quotient, and as we know the process of writing quotient and remainder. Okay, here is my first part A. 67 divided by the 3. So students, I have written my question here. Now let's solve it. First of all, let's compare our divisor with the dividend, and let's take our first digit because this first digit is quite bigger from our divisor. So students, let's read the table of 3 to form 6 or the number that is less from the 6. 3 2s are 6. Next step is subtraction. We are going to subtract it now. Here, when we subtracted 6 from the 6, our answer is 0. And next, we are taking our 7 here. Okay. Now students, compare our divisor with the 7. 7 is quite bigger, so we can divide it further. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 9 become great, so we will write the 6 again here. 3 2s are 6. Now students, tell me the next step. Yes, our next step is again subtraction. So after subtraction, when we subtracted 6 from the 7, I got the number 1, that is our remainder, because 1 is quite smaller from the 3 and we can't divide it further because there we don't have any further word. Okay, now students, let's write our answer. Here is our quotient and here is our remainder. So we are going to write our quotient first, then the REM representing the remainder, and our remainder, that is 1. So here is our required. So students, as in the statement, we have write the remainder and the quotient. Now the next question, part B, in which we are dividing 29 by the number 2. Let's divide it. Now students, firstly compare our divisor with the dividend, as the first digit is equal to our divisor, so we can divide it first. Let's divide it. 2 1s are 2. Next step is subtraction. After subtraction, when we subtracted these two numbers, our answer is 0. So we will take second digit under here. So here our digit is 9. So students, now we will read the table of our divisor to make this 9 or the number less from the 9. Read the table of 2 with me. 2 ones are 2, 2's are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Now students, again the next step is subtraction. When we subtracted 8 from the 9, our remainder is 1. So how can we write our answer here? We can write it as quotient, remainder and answer. This one is our required answer. Next, in the part C, look at this. 91 is being divided by the number 3. Now students, let's divide it. Here is our first digit, that is quite bigger from our divisor, so we can divide it. 3 threes are 9. Now students, let's subtract it. When we subtracted 9 from the 9, our answer is 0, and we will bring down this one here. So this one is quite smaller from our divisor and we can't divide it further, so this one will be our remainder. How can we write the answer of this question? Yes, the quotient first, the remainder, that is 1. So here is our required answer. Next part is D, in which 46 is being divided by the number 4. Now students, here is our part D and I am dividing 46 by the number 4. Now students, look at this. Let's divide it students. 4 ones are 4. Students, next step is subtraction. Very good. In the subtraction, 4 minus 4 is 0. So I will bring down my 6 here. Now students, the next step is again division, because this 6 is quite bigger from our divisor. So let's read the table of 4 until we got this number. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 is being bigger, so we are going to write it 4 ones are 4. And next step is subtraction again. When we subtracted 4 from the number 6, my answer is 2. So 2 is my remainder. How can I write my answer here? I can write the quotient first, that is 11, and then the remainder, that is 2. So students, here is our required answer. Next is the part E, in which 69 is being divided by the number 6. So students, let's divide it. Look at the first digit of the dividend. It is equal to our divisor. So 6 ones are 6. Okay. Next step is subtraction. We are going to subtract 6 from the 6. That is 0. Now let's bring down the 9 here. Now students, read the table of 6 until we got the number 9 or the number that is less than the 9. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. I can't write the 12 here, so I have to write the 6 as it is. 6 ones are 6. Now students, we are going to subtract it further. 6 minus 9 and our answer is 3. Very good. So 3 is our remainder. Students, let's write our required answer. 11, that is the quotient first, and then the remainder. Remainder is 3. So students, we have solved it. Here is our required answer. You are being asked that you will have to write the quotient first and then the remainder. In the part F, 37 is being divided by the 3. So students, now let's divide it. As our divisor is equal to the first digit of our dividend, so we are going to divide it first. 3 ones are 3. Next step is subtraction. When we subtracted 3 from 3, answer is 0. So we are taking our 7 down here. Now students, let's divide the 7 on our divisor 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Now students, what is the next step? Tell me. Yes, the next step is subtraction. When I subtracted 6 from my number 7, my answer was 1. That is my remainder. Let's write our answer here. 12, that is our quotient. Remainder, that is the 1. Here is our required answer. Students, next is the part G, in which 89 is being divided by the number 2. So students, here is our part G. Let's compare our dividend with our divisor. So students, the first digit of our dividend is quite bigger from our divisor, so we are going to divide it first. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. Look, we have got our number. 2 fours are 8. Tell me the next step. Yes, our next step is subtraction. So when we subtracted 8 from the number 8, it will become 0. So I am taking this 9 down here. Here is the number 9. Now students, let's read the table of 2 until we got this number or the number that is less from this. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. When I subtracted 8 from the number 9, my remainder will 1. Let's write the answer in the required way. The quotient first, that is the number 44, and then the remainder, that is 1. So students, here is our answer in the required way. Students, next is the part H, in which 52 is being divided by the number. Here is our part H, in which we are dividing 52 by the number 5. Now students, look at this. Here our first number is 5 and the whole is 52. So students, 52 is quite bigger from our 5 tens. 5, as we know that 5 tens are 50, so we can write the 50 here, and as we know the table of 5 until the number 10, so 5 tens are 50. We are going to write it here. So students, the next step is subtraction. When we subtracted 50 from the 52, our remainder is 2. So students, how can we write the answer? We can write answer as 10, that is the quotient, and remainder, that is the 2. So students, here is our answer in the required way. Okay students, we have solved all the questions. Hope this will be clear to you. Try to practice these questions and do all of these questions on your neat notebook. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.